What this means, one thing at a time means one thing at a time. You have what we call variables. A variable is every element that can be impacted or controlled. Frequency is a variable. Dose is a variable. Ester is a variable. Carrier oil is a variable. All of these variables are variables that when we say change one at a time, one at a time. Don't change dose and frequency. Now, this is not a golden rule to abide by everyone. For example, if I see someone come back with a low SHBG and a very low level of total and or free testosterone, then we may change more than one variable. We may increase their frequency and also increase the dose at the same time because we know that change is coming anyway. So with the vast amount of experience of doing this literally probably over 10,000 times now with patients over the years, we can pretty much guess pretty well at this point, based on anecdotal experience, what this individual is going to need. So rather than making one change and then 3 months later making a second change and taking 6 months to reach our destination, we may make 2 changes at once in order to reach that destination sooner because we kind of already have an idea of how they are going to respond. With that said, if you have, or if your provider has the experience, you as an individual, you'll never have the level of experience of a provider who's done this with thousands of patients. But if your provider has the experience and know-how, then they may change more than one variable at a time. But ideally, if unsure, it is always safer to take baby steps because here's the thing, you make 2 changes and something goes sideways. Now you don't know why. You have to undo both and you're going back to square one. Whereas if you made one change at a time and it didn't go well, you can pinpoint that that was the root cause, presumably. So that's why we say one at a time. It just makes it easier to dial in.